This is a very common problem on BMWs of this era. Mine's a 2013 BMW F33 series, but essentially this inner trim in here, it's kind of like a plastic painted with a rubber finish. It gets all kind of melty and sticky and horrible. There is a more permanent repair you can do here where you actually take off the door trim, the door handle and the door card and actually replace this. I probably will do it eventually, but I just wanted to do a quick, neat fix today. So these are the door handle trims that I got from Amazon. I'll throw the link into the description. There's a few varying versions of these. Some of them are about $25, others are as high as $40. So I found the reviews on the cheaper versions were pretty poor and the reviews on these higher quality versions were much better. So I got this for about €38. So I'm just going to fit that now. This is the end result. This more expensive version appears to have a bigger lip, so it clicks in very nicely and satisfactorily when we are putting it onto the car. It has a nice OEM finish. It's not that rubberized type finish that the original door handle trim underneath has, but it still is a nice kind of semi-gloss black. Definitely matches the rest of the plastics here on the car. And then on the reverse side, it just clicks in under here. Not that anyone would ever see that, but that's really, really flush and really, really nice. So very happy with it. This is the other side of my car, on my passenger side. It's not as bad as the driver's, but you know, it's on its way to starting to peel and get a bit worn. I'm going to fit the other side onto here now. Same as the driver's side, this passenger side trim has turned out really, really well. It just gives one big click and it clicks into the door handle here again. So as you can see, it looks really good. It looks like it's short there, but I promise it isn't. It's just the light, the way it's hitting it. It's actually flush up against the plastics. So that is it for today. So I hope you BMW owners out there enjoy this video. And if you found it helpful, please do like, comment and subscribe and check out my other videos on the BMW F33 series. Thanks a million. Take care. Bye bye.